What did you have for breakfast this morning?
Ma'am, paratha and bread.
Okay, lunch?
Ma'am, I just came and I ate dal and roti.
Oh, okay, fine. Who is the governor of Haryana?
Ma'am, Shri Bandaru Dattatreya.
And how many stars are there in the flag of Israel?
No, ma'am, no.
Pakistan, how many stars?
1 star.
Okay, right. You have a call from Indore as well.
Yes.
Why should we select you?
So, ma'am, first of all, the final selection list is not still out, and I am very pleased and I'm very honored to be sitting here in front of you. I would like to make the most of the opportunity available to me, and I'm looking forward to this
Are
interview.
you buttering us?
No,
Saying this only to please us?
no, ma'am, I genuinely mean it.
Fair
to
enough.
sit in here in front of you.
What subjects did you have in class 12th?
Sir, commerce,
Did you have maths?
applied maths.
You had the applied maths only. Okay. Tell me, what is the difference between the simple interest and compound interest?
Yes, sir. So simple interest, it is levied on the original amount, original loan amount. So compound interest, it is levied on the principal or the amount at the beginning of the year. So compound interest is like an interest on the interest.
So, can we say that the compound interest on any principal will be more than the simple interest on that particular interest, same principal? Compound interest will always be more than the simple interest.
So for the first year, they both would be the same. For later years, compound interest would be greater.
Why?
Because
Why will be the same in the first year?
so because in the first year the amount at the beginning of the year is the same.
What is the difference between real GDP and nominal GDP?
Yes, sir. So real GDP values the GDP at current year, at base year prices. It is generally the year in which there are minimum fluctuations. There are not much ups and downs. Nominal GDP is the GDP which is valued at the current year prices.
Which institute is responsible for controlling the inflation in India?
So RBI.
Which is RBI's equivalent in Pakistan?
So the Reserve Bank of, no, I'm not sure.
You're not sure. What is Sensex?
So Sensex is the index of the top 100 companies listed in the stock exchange.
Are you sure it's 100?
Sensex is 100.
What is Nifty?
So Nifty, it is the Bombay Stock Exchange. It is used for the top 50 companies in Nifty, in the Bombay Stock Exchange.
In Bombay Stock Exchange?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You said you had economics also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the foreign reserves right now? The value of the foreign reserves that India has?
No, sir, I'm not sure.
Okay. What is the value of the dollar right now? Any idea?
Sir, around 86.
How this value is determined? That today the value of the dollar is going to be 86.
Yes, sir. It is determined by the forces of supply and demand. Suppose the USA is ready to supply dollar at a fixed price, say 90 rupees, and there are people demanding the dollar at 90 rupees. So the exchange rate would be fixed at 90. So it is just the intersection of supply and demand.
Who is the Prime Minister of Pakistan?
Sir, Shehbaz Sharif.
Who is the President of Pakistan?
No, sir, I'm not sure.
Who is the Minister of External Affairs in India?
Sir, Mr. S. Jaishankar.
Who is the Minister of Defense?
Shri Rajnath Singh.
Who is Minister of Finance?
Shrimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Who is the Home Minister of India?
Shri Amit Shah.
Who is the Chief Minister of Haryana?
Shri Naib Singh Saini.
Name 5 rivers that flows through the Haryana.
Sir, Tapi, Yamuna, Ghaggar, Markanda. So I'm not able to recall the fifth one.
Okay. So there is some conflict that is going between Haryana and Punjab for the water.
Yes, sir.
For one particular river.
Yes.
Can you name that river?
Sir, it is the Bhakra Nangal Dam,
Okay.
and the river flowing through it is the Nangal River.
Okay. Very good. So, tell me that who is the President of United States of America?
Mr. Donald Trump.
And who is the Vice President of America?
Mr. J.D. Vance.
What is BRICS?
Yes, sir. It is the coalition of Britain, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. It is aimed at reducing the importance of USA in the new economic order.
You are interested in geopolitics as well? What is your hobby and interest?
So in my free time, I love to play cricket, and I'm interested in business and entrepreneurship.
You play cricket with the hard ball or the tennis ball?
So regularly with the hard ball, but in tournaments with the regularly we play with the tennis ball, but in tournaments we play with the hard ball.
Okay. In how many ways a batsman can be given out in cricket?
So 10 ways.
10 ways. Okay. If a ball hits suppose if you're fielding and a ball hits a helmet, which is just, lie beside you.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen?
So plus 5 runs as a penalty would be given.
Okay. It will be added as an extras. It will be added in the account of the bowler, in the account of the batsman, or what?
No, sir, it would be added in the total batting team score.
It will neither be added to the extras nor in the the batting.
So it would be the extras,
It would be considered as an extra,
not the batsman's score.
not the batsman scores. Okay. Right now, who is the Test champion? Test champion. There is a tournament called World Test Championship.
Yes, sir.
Who is the champion of that? World Test Championship. Who is champion?
No, sir, I'm not able to recall.
Who won the 2023 World Cup, ODI World Cup?
So Australia.
Hello Akshat.
Yes.
I'm going to give you a topic in which you need to speak for 2 minutes.
Yes.
I will give you 30 seconds for the preparation. Then you can start. Okay.
Yes.
So your topic is, suppose you are the head of a pollution control board. You need to take certain steps to control the pollution. What steps you will take without disturbing country's production activity?
Yes. Can take it.
Yeah.
So, as the head of the Pollution Control Board in India, I would like to first tell that the industries they pollute, they contribute to the most to the pollution. So, I would first like to introduce some changes in the source itself. I would frame regulations for installing filters and chimneys for air pollution, and then the industries they discharge water into waste. They discharge their waste into water bodies without treatment. I would ensure that water treatment plants are established in every state and in the prominent industrial regions. I would impose stringent regulations for opening and expanding the existing industries. This would ensure that pollution that green checks are placed so that an equivalent amount of forestation occurs for so the deforestation occurs because industries are set up and they keep expanding. So an equivalent or a greater afforestation should be maintained so that forest cover is not degraded. So secondly, I would hold regular meetings and conferences with the industries and their owners. This would ensure that they know well about the upcoming pollution control checks, and they know about the good practices which help to curb pollution. That's all.
30 seconds more.
30 seconds.
Okay. So I would ensure cooperation between state governments and central governments, because generally it is believed that central government does implement policies, but the state government are slightly lenient in implementing policies because of their populism measures. So I would ensure there is complete coordination between state pollution control boards, and the central pollution control board.
Okay. Any question from us?
Yes, sir. I had gone through the website. I am a cricket enthusiast, so I could not find any information about the number of pitches in IIM.
So yes, in IIM Rohtak we do provide a cricket pitch along with a very good, beautiful cricket ground. So if you get time from your studies, you can definitely go and enjoy and play your cricket. Okay.
So Sensex is not top 100 companies, it's top 30.
Top 30 companies.
Yeah, so that was one factual thing. Mr. Shehbaz Sharif, all Indian ministers were Shri and Shrimati, but Pakistani minister also has to be either Shri or Mr. Names to be taken with respect. Okay, when I started off the interview, I wanted to see if you would get nervous if I ask you back-to-back questions, if I can make you uncomfortable. I tried breakfast, lunch, Governor of Haryana, stars in the flag, why should we take you, etc. I tried to break you, but I am good. You held your ground. I am good with the fact that you held your ground. And then we moved on to sir, and you answered questions pretty well. But during the extempore round, I noticed your fingers trembling. You were very nervous. And it's a pity because the interview was kind of going great. So I would really want you to work on that. If more offline setting, extempore is what you need, then you do it with us, do it with your peers. We've great people here. You can have as much practice as you want. Do it with your mum. Ask her to give you a topic at random.
Yes.
Right. But before Rohtak, let's get this fixed.
Yes.
Yeah. All the very best.
Thank you.
मेरे हिसाब से तो नो फीडबैक इज रिक्वायर्ड. मैंने जितने भी इंटरव्यू अभी तक तुम्हारे लिए दिस वाज द बेस्ट. और बस जस्ट गो एंड रिपीट द सेम थिंग. हैड आई बीन विद द इंटरव्यूअर यू वुड हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड. डेफिनेटली आई वुड हैव सिलेक्टेड यू. द बेस्ट पार्ट टुडे वाज you were a bit louder. You were maintaining the eye contact. You were not looking towards the ceiling or the floor. और कॉन्फिडेंस जो था वो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. वो जो कमी थी वो तुमने अपने आप दूरी कर ली. और तेज बोल रहे थे उसी से लग रहा था कि बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट.
शिवरिंग थी वॉइस में जैसे ही दिया गया. तुमने कंटेंट अच्छा बोला, लेकिन कंटेंट में दो सबसे बड़ी गलती की. सबसे पहली गलती ये थी कि तुमने कंटेंट लिखा लेकिन उसको अरेंज नहीं किया. सेकेंडली मैं ये बोलूँगा कि देखो, तुमने एयर पोल्यूशन अगर पूछा जाए, तुमने केवल एयर और वाटर पोल्यूशन को तुमने करा, लैंड पोल्यूशन के बारे में नहीं बोला. सेकेंडली तुमने ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं सोचा कि तुमने मतलब ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव सोचा, नैरो पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं सोचा, क्योंकि पोल्यूशन जो होता है वो इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे होता है. तो केवल इन पे इंडस्ट्रीज पे कंट्रोल लगाना, जबकि मेंशन किया गया था कि कंट्रीज की प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी पे कोई भी लॉस मतलब कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो तुम इसको बहुत खूबसूरती से आंसर कर सकते थे. जैसे कि अब इसमें क्या करते, तुम चीज़ों को, जैसे एयर पोल्यूशन के बारे में तुमने बोला, तो एयर पोल्यूशन होता क्या है, देन उसके बारे में बताया, तुम क्या मेजर लेते, उसको कंक्लूड कर देते. देन वाटर के बारे में बोलते, सेम यू नीड टू डू विद वाटर एंड लैंड. और एट इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे क्या चेंजेस कर सकते थे वहाँ लेवल, और नेशनल लेवल पे क्या कर सकते थे. अब उसके बाद एक आखिरी चीज जो मतलब आप में से कोई नहीं कर रहा है, तो आखिर में ये बोल सकते हैं, अगर आई वॉज द हेड तो आई विल डू दिस एक्टिविटी. इसको कंक्लूड करते हैं. और ऑलवेज ट्राई कि मतलब तुम बोलो 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा का अगर टाइम दिया गया है, इंटरव्यूअर हम तुम्हें खुद 2 मिनट बाद स्टॉप कर देंगे. और अगर नहीं स्टॉप कर रहे हैं, यू शुड स्पीक. ठीक है ना? ओके, दिस इज फ्रॉम माई साइड.